Everybody, standing here with Danny Reviews, and if you're familiar with the pink stuff, they just come out with their Squeezable pink stuff, which is going to be tough on stains. It says cleaning paste, and again, you can get this set right here that comes with SQeeZY. This is a magic sponge that will be soft in warm water and firm in cold water. And it's got this nice texture to it that will be tough on stains to help get stains off. The Squeezable paste is a must when for your cleaning needs, because this is just great in the kitchen, the bathroom, your cookware. You can use it on your tiles, your showers, and so many more applications you can apply this to. And then you can come through with SQeeZY here and cut through those tough grimes, those tough stains. And then this stuff easily wipes away. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I do have some stains here, right? We just cooked and it's kind of messy. So we can apply some of this Squeezable. So we can just massage that in. And this is just paper towel, come through. It also has a really nice smell. Look at there. Look how clean that is. That did an amazing job. Now, a lot of this is because of the pans and the glasses scratched. That's not going to come out. But any of the food that was stuck on or burnt on or water that has overspilled when you're cooking pasta, and you get that water burnt mark, that all comes off super easy with that duo. So again, if you're cleaning your stove or you need to clean your stove, you must pick this set up. This here will get the job done. Again, shout out to the pink stuff for gifting me this. I could do the review. This stuff here I definitely recommend for your cleaning routine.